والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان.
Okay guys, we need to finish the music video about talk this week. Doctor said there has to be something from the life. So any ideas?
Talks the one about turning force, right? Like a dog, it rotates around the hills.
Doctor wants something more real, like machine, cars, or so on.
Okay, but who's recording, who's editing, and who's explaining? The deadline is really close.
I can do the explanation part, the theory, and stuff. Maybe you can think about something related to talk in our daily life, like something that you can add to our video.
Oh, and maybe I can find a Quran verse that connect with the concept, like balance or power or something.
I handle the editing and recording.
A few moments later.
Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria.
Hi guys, so torque is the measure of force that can cause an object to rotate about an axis. So the symbol of torque is so torque can be defined as the cross product between vector R and F. So the equation is torque equal to radius times force.
The moment of force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point of an axis. The symbol of moment is the equation of moment is the same as the equation of torque, which is moment equals radius times force.
The rotational force or moment in a car's engine is caused by chemical energy stored in the fuel being converted into mechanical energy. This happens primarily through a process of combustion inside the car's engines.
Okay, for the force comes from the expanding gases after combustion, and a larger force means a larger piston area, so makes the gas pressure act on the bigger surface. This makes more force act on the piston area. You can conclude that when P and A increase, F also increase and the torque also increase. The distance from pivot is at the crankshaft center, and the distance between crankshaft center and the connecting rod push the crank radius determines the moment arm. And for the equation, torque equals to F times R, and we can conclude that the longer crank arm give more torque because the same force acts farther from the pivot.
The effective force depends on the angle between the force and the lever arm. When the force is perpendicular to the lever arm, so the torque is maximum. But when the force is perpendicular to the lever arm, so the torque is minimum. On this picture, we can see where is the pivot and where is the distance from pivot. For more understanding, let's watch this video. We're going to show you how it works.
The pistons drive this crankshaft. You can see that where it attaches turns around the center axis, just like the wrenches turns around the bolt. Each explosion in the cylinder pushes the piston down with force. That force is exerted on the crankpin and transferred to the shaft to get it spinning. Makes sense? If the throw stays the same, we produce more force from the piston. Maybe with more displacement, we can increase the torque.
Torque is a turning force. It's intrinsically linked to the concept of balance, equilibrium, and measure, the distance component. So, the Quran frequently highlights the precision and balance in the creation of the universe. Command for justice, the mention of balance al-mizan, and the command to not make the scale division is often seen as a reference to the precise balance nature of the cosmos, which is a foundational idea of physics, and the human need to maintain this balance, which involves the proper application of force and measure.